Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily download and install WordPress application on your Windows 11 computer. To begin, go to your search bar and type Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store app to open. Wait until the application finishes the refreshing process. You should see several applications appearing, like mine. Click on the search bar and type WordPress. Wait a few seconds until you see the WordPress.com app. Click on it. Once you see the WordPress application, click on Get. Based on how fast is your computer and your internet, this application of downloading and installing it will take between 10 to 50 seconds as a maximum. After that, we should be able to open it as the download and install are being done automatically. Once completed, click on Open, and the WordPress application should appear. You can always log in, create new account, etc. If you come to close the application, you can always reopen it by going to search bar and typing WordPress. And here you should be able to pin to start to taskbar. You should be also able to uninstall or even run as administrator. If you want just to open it again, just click on it and it should open the application for you again. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.